Use bread.
Bread. Got it.
Open the bread.
Open the bread. Oh.
Take the bread out.
How do I rip it? Oh.
Get PB&J peanut butter.
Okay. PB&J.
Oh. First you have to untwist the thing off the bread, take the bread out, open the
Okay.
peanut butter. Well, first put the
Okay. Can I? Yeah. Go ahead and finish that sentence.
put the peanut butter jelly down.
Okay. Okay. Then what'd you tell me to do?
Untwist the.
Untwist it. Okay.
Take the bread out. Then
All right. Isaiah.
Take 2 pieces of bread out.
Then you open the jar. You open the jar of. You twist the peanut butter jar.
The peanut butter. Okay.
Yeah.
this stuff.
Then you
sure?
get your.
Oh, let the next person tell me the next step. Yep.
You get your knife thingy and put it in there and put it on the.
Put it in there and put it on. Okay.
Take the fork out and then spread it on the bread.
Okay.
Put it on your
Then put the bread down.
Put the bread down.
Separate the bread
Separate the bread.
and then put more jelly, more peanut butter on the.
Put more peanut butter on that.
Alright, come on.
What? That's what he told me to do.
in the trash can.
Did he not? Okay, I got a little much there. Jeez. Okay. Yes. Now what should I do?
Open the jelly.
Open the jelly? How am I supposed to do that?
Use your other hand.
No. Okay.
Wash
Let's
your
stop there. All right. Go ahead and put your hands down. Now, I didn't just do this to be silly and just teach you how to make a peanut butter and jelly. So anyone know why I did this maybe? Yep.
To like code something to do something.
Okay, to do something. What did I have to do? What did you guys have to do?
You gotta put it in order and do it all together.
Very good. You had to tell me specific steps, right? And then if we didn't tell me exactly, I ended up with everything in my arms and then I ended up with peanut butter in my hand. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so